Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In this connection, this is a case relating to delay in the investigation. Right? You can read the case as Tushar Gandhi. Who is he? He is the great grandson of late Mahatma Gandhi. He worked as a governor also for some state. Tushar Gandhi versus Rakesh Asthana. Contempt petition number 41 by 22. Anyway, we can read it as WP civil number 732 by 2017. Disposed on 13/1/2023. So the main point is whether the investigation should be completed within the prescribed period or not. If not, what to do? This is the main question. You all know, whenever a case is registered under 154 CRPC, the police have to continue investigation and they have to write the case diary as per 172 CRPC and 173. They have to give a final disposal. Of course, you know the period of limitation also. So if it is a theft case, when the punishment is 3 years, they have to file the charge sheet within 3 years. Like that, you all know these are the basics of the criminal investigation. But please remember, this Yuvahini case or Jamia Masjid case, all these cases. So when the matter came up before the Honorable Chief Justice of India and Pamidi Ghantam Narasimha, it is clear that even though the FIR was registered on 4/5/2022, there has been no questioning of the suspects so far. That means already almost we can say 10 months, 11 months are over. So now the Supreme Court directed the Delhi police to file an affidavit with the details of the steps taken in the investigation of the hate speech case, hate speech incidents in the National Capital Territory region of Delhi. In this connection, Mahatma Gandhi's grandson, Sri Tushar Mehta, he has said that the particular alleged that as Delhi Police Commissioner Rakesh Asthana, you may be knowing him, the CBI director, Rakesh Asthana, he has purposefully suppressed the investigation, or the investigation is not at all going on in the so-called correct lines. So it is calling for violence and also Nazi style salutes were made. Of course, Nazi style, the persons who has given the hate speech, they are being respected. That is his point. Even the incident, incident took place on which date? I tell you. Incident took place on 19/12/2021. But the FIR was registered after 5 months. That is on 4/5/2022. But so far, no arrest, no questioning of the accused, no charge sheet were filed so far. Now, the court has, it is very clear that there is a delay of 5 months for the registration of the case. Okay, they have registered the case. Then 8 months, they are not investigating. After 8 months, what is the investigation made? So far, what are you investigating? No palpable progress. So, who is the investigating officer? CJI asked Additional Solicitor General Sri K.M. Nataraj. No doubt. So here it is a very clear case of Tehsin Poonawalla. Yeah. In that Tehsin Poonawalla case, very clearly stated that the police are bound under statute to complete the investigation, file the charge sheet, or to come to a logical conclusion. But it is a violation of the Tehsin Poonawalla versus Union of India 2008 case. So please remember this case. Whenever the investigation topic is concerned, whenever you have to quote that the investigation has completed within the particular period, yes, Tehsin Poonawalla case is the most important case. Therefore, please remember Tehsin Poonawalla versus Union of India 2008 case. But CP Rakesh Asthana, he did not take any action on the hate speech cases. Then what? So that's why even while discussing 172 CRPC, I think I have told you, the investigation should be progressive. It should be done on each day. That means the day closes at 12 a.m., 12 midnight. So that's why we used to write whenever, since we are police officers, we used to write, suppose if you start the investigation on 13/1/2023, so maybe around 10 a.m. or so. So on that date, I visited so-and-so place, secured so many witnesses, examined them, recorded their 161 statements, collected so-and-so documents, and arrested so many accused and brought them to the police station. Suppose it is getting 12 midnight, closed the CD for the day, finish. And the investigation once again on 14/1/2023. So this in this day they resumed the investigation for the day, and at 2 a.m. or so I have searched the accused and put them in the police lockup. Like that you have to write the investigation, what efforts you have made, what places you have visited, and even every day you have come to the conclusive part of a particular day's investigation. So it means brief gist of the investigation also you have to write. But here, even after 11 months or so, no progress is there. The CD is not there. No witnesses were examined. Then what investigation was made? This is the point questioned by Honorable Supreme Court of India. Therefore, they asked the police to file an affidavit detailing the steps taken in this particular Yovahini or Jamia Masjid hate speech case. In this connection, even though the Supreme Court came down heavily on the IO, Additional Solicitor General Nataraj, he says, Your Honor, there may be some delay, but investigation is certainly going on. And the petitioner, the Tushar Gandhi, he cannot dictate as to how the investigation should be conducted. Of course, no doubt he can. But CJI said, tell us what happened so far. Okay, tell us what happened so far. So far, what is the investigation you have done? Should be on paper, is it not? So there is no reply. So that means, he said, Advocate General said, Additional Solicitor General says, he will take instructions from the concerned officer and file the affidavit. Okay, it was allowed. Anyway, this is the story going on. What you have learned from this case, Tushar Gandhi case, is the police are directed, or the police are supposed to conduct the investigation in a fair, in a speedy manner, speedy justice manner, and come to the logical conclusion. Otherwise, they will be subjected to comments like this in this particular Tushar Gandhi case. So in this case, please remember two important case laws, Tehsin Poonawalla as well as Tushar Gandhi case. If you remember these two, it will be sufficient. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.